Right, checking for a no start condition. Found high resistance in the starter circuit. Everything looked clean, battery tested well from the parts store. Found the corrosion all hidden underneath this boot. That's where the problem lies. Cleaned up, should work well.